Such a great question. It all boils down to your beliefs. The optimistic client is actually going to be in a position where they're able to receive the knowledge, the strategies, the advice, and apply it to get the results. And this isn't something that is inherent. It's oftentimes something that you have to work towards. And you have to build your belief in your worth, in your ability, and your opportunities. And this is why I create so much free content. I have this entire YouTube channel dedicated to help people shift their beliefs to believe in themselves more and to shift them from pessimistic to optimistic. And I don't sell to people in need, I sell to people in want. So I want you to get at least halfway there with my free content and resources, and then you have the choice to invest in me to take you the rest of the way. But I'm not going to try to get you to invest in me if you don't believe in yourself. I want you to believe in yourself before you book or hit the buy button.